Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to play GTA 5 on your Android device. Here you can see my GTA 5 is properly working. It's running very smoothly as I'm playing on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It has a Snapdragon 888 chip. That's why the game is running very smoothly even in high graphics. But don't worry, you can still run it even if you have a mid-range phone. Watch the full video so you can do the same. Let's start. I'll be using Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for this task. Firstly, you'll need to update your software to the latest version available, as it will help your device to run the game smoothly. Open your Chrome or your browser and type download GameHub. Open the first link you will see and click on Android download. The file will start downloading in the background. After the download is complete, install the app on your device. This is a Windows emulator and it will emulate Windows on our Android device. So it means we will be playing the full PC version of GTA 5 on our Android device. The next step is to copy the full installed game from your computer to your Android device. Here I have already copied the game on my device. As you can see here, I have copied it in the download folder. Here it is. Now next step is to set up the GameHub app. Open it and log in with any of the options here. I'll sign it with Google. This is the interface of the app. You can install different PC games and play it on your device. Open menu and click on game. Now click on PC games and click the plus icon. Now go to the folder where you have copied the game. I have copied my game on the download folder, so I'll go in the download folder and find the GTA 5. Open the GTA 5 folder and tap on GTA Launcher EXE. And you don't have to do anything else, just click on confirm. We have now successfully added the game on our device. Now you will see the GameHub app is downloading some files. Download all the files here. Now click on GTA 5 folder and click on settings and go to game settings. Here is the game resolution option. You can choose the resolution on which you want to play. Currently I am playing on 1280 into 720p. I'll prefer you not to change the game resolution when you are loading the game for the first time. Here you can see this is the first mission of the GTA 5. You can play the game with any controller, whether it is Xbox or PlayStation, wired or wireless. If you don't have a controller, you can click on back. The settings option will open and turn on the input mapping. Here you can see you have all the controls to play the game. If you want me to share the best settings to play the game on your device, comment below. I'll make a separate video in which I'll show you what are the best settings for your personal device.